Hey, what's up guys? Jack and Matt here from the Toasty Bros, and today we bought a laptop from Wish, and this one actually showed up.
There have been numerous attempts to buy a gaming laptop from Wish, and every single time they were marked as delivered and never showed up. I actually made a video on Toasty DIY about that, but yeah, this is a refurbished ASUS laptop. We paid $500 for it. Is it a great price? No, but did it actually arrive from Wish? Kind of looks like it. Let's open it up, but first, a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by our friends over at Antec and their new line of products featuring the Canon Open Air EATX gaming case, which rocks a unique design and perfect layout for enthusiasts looking to do a custom water cooling build. They are also launching the Constellation, a high airflow, easy to build in ATX case that you can load up with some of their new Storm and Fusion Performance case fans. To learn more about these new products from Antec and all they have to offer, check the link down below, and special thanks again to them for sponsoring today's video.
So normally we don't really recommend buying much of anything from Wish unless it's like clothes or something like that, because a lot of times these are third-party sellers. This is basically eBay, but mostly for China and other countries. So you can buy pretty much anything from Wish and have it shipped to the US. Now, this is one that if I had to guess, probably did not come from China. It probably came from somewhere in the US, maybe somewhere right outside the US, because normally if it comes from another country, you're not gonna see a box like this. You're gonna see a bunch of yellow crazy tape.
The floating tape.
Yeah, exactly. Basically like waterproof taping. And we don't see that here. And it is an ASUS, so it's a name brand product, but it's refurbished. It's from, you said VIP Outlet,
Yep.
which I know we bought stuff from them before. And I think they have an eBay page as well that we bought from. So this one might actually be okay.
Why they are selling on Wish, I don't know, but they are, and it's a gaming laptop, so let's just open it up and see what's inside, because
Sounds loose.
it doesn't sound very well packaged.
Wish.
So I wish this will actually work.
I wish we didn't buy this.
I wish you guys will subscribe.
I wish this money will come back to us from you all paying us somehow.
At PCBros.tech.
PC
Less
Bros,
than
yeah, someone-
$500 for sure, but
Someone buy this.
yeah, $500 is not a great price, obviously.
is
So we got
this?
the tape and the seal.
What?
All these refurb laptops, they like just adhesive.
Yeah, it's like actually like adhesive, like they put
Yep.
glue on it. Why?
Oh my God.
Dude. This is like actually, this should be illegal. God, I hated that. This ruined my day.
All right, so we got a laptop and a charger.
That just fell out of there. All right, well,
It has the bubble packaging, so the bouncing around can kind of be forgived a little bit.
yeah, for sure, for sure. Feels light. Okay, this is really weird already. So this side has nothing, like
Okay.
not a single port except for a Kensington lock, and then this side has all the ports.
Oh, okay. Let's see
Kind
what
of
we
weird
got.
seeing that, but that's kind of convenient. So we have charging port, we have a full-size Ethernet jack, HDMI out, a USB 3, it looks like a USB 3 and charging, well, two of those, and then a combo jack. Actually, it just is a, no, it's both, okay. I thought it was just a mic, and I was like, that's kind of weird.
Do we have a working laptop?
Do we have a battery even in here? They were like, we can't ship batteries, so you know, you don't get one.
But yeah, old Ryzen architecture, 1650. In theory, it'll still play games, obviously, but for $500 nowadays, you can get some of the 1650 and a much more modern CPU.
So you're almost approaching like even 3050 level.
Yeah, you're getting
3050
close
Ti.
Oh, we had a little flash.
Looks like it turns on, okay. It looks like we have a, I wonder if this is RGB or not. Right, we just have red right now. It might just be red.
Wait. So we have this guy over here. This one doesn't have a 1650 though. I thought this has like a,
What does this one even have?
I don't remember. So yeah, this is our little stream laptop and I can't remember what it has. 1660 Ti. Okay.
So basically a 3050 Ti, I mean just
Yeah.
older. Yeah, look at that, we're ASUS TUF'd out now.
Heck yeah, buddy.
Dude, we have a new laptop for streaming.
That's older.
Now does this one have an SSD?
It does. I think it's a 256 gig SSD and 8 gigs of RAM, probably single channel. And we're at, that looks like a very old Windows 10 install. But yeah, so far it's booted. That's all we can really ask for. We're gonna make sure everything is what it said it would be, and we're gonna load it up with some games, obviously, and see what it can do. But so far, the Wish laptop survived, even though Jackson has an anger towards that box.
That box like made me mad. My fingers hurt.
His fingers hurt. All right, let's do that.
All right, guys, we're starting off with Apex Legends. You want like medium, even some high, couple
Kinda-
low.
kinda
It's like
wild.
literally all over the place. But Apex Legends is a game that we've realized when you're like, if you can run it at 1080p, you can change the settings a lot, and it doesn't make a massive difference in FPS. It's kind of weird, but it is a AAA title.
This
and
is a
it
60
works.
hertz display, so it really doesn't
You can
matter a
definitely
whole
feel
lot.
it.
Yeah.
You know what, man?
You can
I'm
feel
I'm
it.
at an uncompetitive edge right now. Oh, shit.
Oh, how'd you hit that?
No, I didn't even see
Is the
this
brightness
guy.
all the way up on that screen? It just seems kind of.
I guess.
Yeah, I guess, yeah, it just seems kind of dim.
I can do this.
Well, there's one thing we haven't verified with this laptop is the RAM setup. It could be single channel 8 gigs. I would have bet it is. We'll definitely check that between the other game, but obviously
$100.
$100, but obviously, you know, 8 gigs of RAM is gonna hold you back a little bit, but right now in Apex it's working pretty good, especially with the 1650.
Definitely has latency to it.
Yeah.
Like you can definitely feel that like maybe we, you know, lower the settings some more and it would help. What is this guy shooting me at the Peacekeeper across the map? Yeah, it just feels like everything I'm doing like is like a few milliseconds behind, you know?
Yeah, it could just be the display is not great. I mean, the milliseconds right there, normally it hovers around like 7 to 8, so it is a little bit laggy.
Oh, I can't even help my teammates. I need to help myself first.
There's another one of McAllister dancing like a squirrel.
Oh God. You can't keep up with the movement.
No!
He kept up with the movement.
He kept up.
He kept up. What the?
Oh!
Oh God, he healed Matt. God, he shredded.
Wait, they are correct.
Dude, he pushes at the moments I don't expect him to push.
Retreat.
You must retreat. Please don't go down, dude. Come on. Come on. Oh God, I hate that thing, dude. I hate when they pop that when you're not expecting it.
That was a sweaty game.
The Apex Legends ran pretty well. Like I said, older Ryzen.
Latency.
Definitely, I'm gonna say single channel, but we'll check that and confirm. But yeah, there's just some mad latency with it, but we've played on a lot worse, so I can't complain too much.
Next game.
Next game.
Yeah, we confirmed it's single channel memory. Jackson, click on that real quick. 1 of 2.
2400 too.
Yeah, that's slow. So older Ryzen, obviously slower speeds. Newer laptops nowadays, like minimum I see is like 3200 megahertz. So
True.
Yeah, that is a limiting factor. Next game. All right, guys, we are now in Fortnite on performance mode. Medium settings is what we're looking at here. And yeah, we're getting 90 to 100 FPS. I was kind of worried with single channel memory and an older Ryzen CPU, especially mobile, we'd have like a really bad experience. But I mean, I have to realize that this was a gaming laptop, or it still is a gaming laptop, but it was a pretty pricey gaming laptop back when it was released. So, I mean, I would expect these games like Fortnite, which were pretty prevalent around the time this was released, to at least perform decently. And yeah, still getting 60 plus FPS, that's really all we can ask for. Hey. Ah!
Dude, he's going crazy. Oh, he blocked it.
Oh no! Oh, I got too comfy there. I got too comfy. I was like, oh yeah, let's just go there and do that. That's fine.
That guy did not miss a shot.
But hey, you saw the performance of Fortnite. That's fine. Jackson gave you all 15 minutes of Apex gameplay, so you get 2 minutes of Fortnite gameplay. On to the next one. Okay, we have a fun one, guys. So we were gonna play Battlefield. I went ahead and uninstalled a bunch of stuff that was on here, like McAfee and stuff, because the first error that it threw was like, oh, there's not enough memory. And I was like, oh, we're maxing out 8 gigs already. But we're going to launch it again and just show you guys what happens. But this game just doesn't want to launch. I'm not really sure exactly why. The drivers are up to date, everything is good to go, but I don't know. We're gonna let this thing launch and see if it crashes again. We might need to check Windows updates potentially, but I mean, regardless if a laptop out of the box has problems like this, it's not a good sign.
It is weird. I thought maybe Origin has a problem where if you click on the icon, it doesn't always work and you have to go in Origin and launch the game, but it's going into the game.
So it launches and then does that thing where it says, oh, things need to be updated, and it won't let you hit update. But we get the music.
What are you gonna do if it just works
dramatic.
perfect? Works perfect now.
The camera.
All this.
It's the camera, it's what it does.
It has stage fright. There. Oh, don't do it yet.
I'm not clicking it. I'm gonna hold. I'm holding chat. Oh, I called you chat and I made it crash. Yeah, it doesn't even throw an error anymore. So Battlefield kind of weird, but at least it could run the other games. I mean, it's a Wish laptop. I can't really expect too much from it. It's more or less the fact that we actually got what we ordered from Wish, which is always a first, always a surprise. So yeah, that's the Wish laptop. It is what it is, and you probably shouldn't buy it. Let's wrap this video up real quick.
All right, guys, so we just got done benchmarking this Wish laptop, which really, you know, we keep calling it a Wish laptop. It's just shipped from someone on Wish, and it really could have came outside the US or in the US. We don't really know, but at the end of the day, it showed up in good shape. It is an older laptop, and for the price that we paid for it, we're saying it's not worth it, but in terms of what we got what we paid for, so overall pretty good. Battlefield not launching, probably not the biggest deal, probably just do some Windows updates, maybe do like an SFC scan now, however you say that, and then it might just fix it.
So overall, it was, well, pretty cool to see that we got something from Wish that actually is what it is. I've tried many gaming laptops, and most of the time, it doesn't work out very well, but let us know down below what you think of this video. If there's any other weird, sketchy websites you want to see us buy a gaming laptop from, let us know down below. And yeah, we'll leave some affiliate links to gaming laptops we actually recommend you buy in the description down below. And yeah, they are affiliate links and they and will help us out.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
So if you didn't know, we actually have a PC selling business where we will be selling this laptop at an even more discounted price, and of course it'll be checked and we'll probably reinstall Windows and whatever else we got to do. But on top of that, you can also get custom builds from us and laptops and tablets and all kinds of cool stuff.
All those things, and you can save 2% on it using code ToastyBros2 on checkout. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.